Hola and welcome aboard our lovely AmaVida, which cruises our 7-night Flavors of Portugal and Spain itinerary between Porto and Vega de Terrón. I am delighted to offer you a tour of all the wonderful amenities on board. Let's take a look inside. Our beautiful AmaVida is 260 feet long and serves as your home away from home on the stunning Douro River. At the heart of the ship's Porto deck is our lobby, where guests embark and depart the ship for our included excursions. You can also make reservations for the spa and ask questions at the main reception desk. Complimentary postcards can be mailed from reception, and this is the place where guests may also settle their account at the conclusion of their river cruise. Next to reception, you will find our onboard gift shop, where you can purchase a variety of keepsakes from Portugal, as well as jewelry and clothing featuring the name of the ship. If you walk from the gift shop to the bow of the ship, you will find our main lounge. Our main lounge is our central gathering place for safety briefings, lectures, our daily complimentary sip and sail cocktail hours, and nightly entertainment. Light lunch and late night snacks are also offered in the lounge. Plus, with floor-to-ceiling windows, it always offers a picturesque view. Below the main lounge is our main restaurant, where guests gather for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which are all included in the river cruise fare and prepared with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. AmaVida also has a special private dining area on each side of the restaurant to accommodate small groups. On the lowest level of our ship is our Douro deck, where you will find our spa room. Here, you may indulge in a variety of massage treatments for a nominal fee. Across the hall, you are welcome to use the exercise equipment in our fitness room. The sun deck features an intimate swimming pool, ample seating, from which you can take in breathtaking views of the Douro River as we glide through port country. Each evening, you will rest in comfort in one of our elegantly appointed staterooms. This is one of our D and E category staterooms, which measure 161 square feet with a panoramic window at river level, a desk and a bathroom with a multi-jet shower. Here you will find one of our A and B category staterooms, which feature a floor-to-ceiling window, as well as a balcony with outdoor seating, a desk and chair, and a separate seating area. On the Porto deck, we have 2 balcony suites which measure 323 square feet and feature a bed facing the floor-to-ceiling windows, a spacious indoor seating area, a larger bathroom with dual sinks, and an outside balcony with seating. No matter which stateroom you choose, you are sure to have an unforgettable cruise aboard the AmaVida. Thank you for joining me today. We hope to welcome you on board soon and cannot wait to pamper you and treat you to an unforgettable river cruise experience.